Yes, be ready. Start. The appellant was a school teacher at the Railway Higher Secondary School, Alipur Junction. Stop. He taught mathematics to the school children. Stop. Aggrieved by the judgment of the High Court at Calcutta in WPCT number 130 of 2009, the appellant is before us in appeal. Stop. By the said judgment, the High Court denied him absorption as an assistant teacher in the higher secondary section and also rejected his claim for continuity in service. Stop. The appellant was initially appointed as a substitute teacher on 5/12/1989. Stop. According to him, artificial breaks were created in his service by terminating him on the eve of the school vacations and thereafter reappointing him. Stop. The appellant states that he was terminated first before the summer vacations on 9/6/1990 and was re-engaged on 24/7/1990. Stop. His further case is that he was again terminated on 22/9/1990 on the eve of Puja holidays. Stop. According to him, he was re-engaged on 1/11/1990. Stop. When the matter stood thus, the appellant, fearing further creation of artificial breaks, filed an application being OA number 209 of 1990 before the Central Administrative Tribunal Guwahati bench. Stop. He prayed for setting aside of the letters of termination dated 9/6/1990 and 19/9/1990 and also prayed for regularization of his service and for salary during the period of breaks. Stop. Stanza. The tribunal passed an interim order and it is an admitted fact that he continued till 12/11/1994 when his services were again terminated after the tribunal had dismissed his application. Stop. The tribunal, while dismissing his application on 31/10/1994, solely relied on another order of the same tribunal passed on the same day in OA number 149 of 1989 in the case of Shrimati Jayashree Deb Roy. Stop. Para 4 of the order in the appellant's case is important, which we extract herein. Stop. We have examined the question of regularization of substitute teachers in detail in our order of OA number 149 of 1989 passed today. Stop. We have come to the conclusion that the substitute teachers cannot claim regularization as a matter of right. Stop. We have also held that selection by the Railway Recruitment Board is initial for regular appointment. Stop. For the same reasons, we hold that the applicant is not valid. Stop. Over.